Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today's video is going to be a review. I was sent this product from Duvolle and I have the Impulse Professional Flat Iron to share with you guys. Comes with this very nice sleek packaging, magnetic reusable box to store your hair straightener. And you can see the cord there. It is a very long cord. Also comes with a operating instructions and safety guide. It also has cleaning instructions as well. Here is the straightener out of the box. It has a 360-degree swivel. It's very easy to use. An on and off button that also controls the temperatures. I have temperature settings from 270 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And that little strip there you see is the infrared part of the straightener. In my first hair tutorial here, I'm going to share with you guys how I go from this super curly hair to straight hair, and this is what my hair looks like. I brushed out. It is super frizzy and yes, so much hair. So first off, you're going to start off by separating your hair. Separate it into smaller sections so it's easier and quicker, more efficient to work that way. Also, this hair straightener on the website has all 5-star reviews. It's that amazing. And they also have a 60-day money back, no questions asked. 410 degrees to 450 is what is recommended for my type of curly hair. And we're going to get started on this. There you can see that infrared portion of the plate. And I am super impressed with how fast this straightened my hair. Now, I do have very long hair. It is down to my lower back. I used to straighten my hair all the time in high school, and I had an old Revlon hair straightener. It was like 20 bucks. It used to take me 2 hours to straighten my hair, you guys. That's how much hair I have. That's how long it is. I love to keep it long, and most days I do wear it up, but seriously, this has made me want to straighten my hair and wear it down more often. It's so easy to use, and not only that, guess how long it takes me to straighten my hair now? 30 minutes, if you can believe that. And you've seen what a mess of a hair I have. Only 1 or 2 times going over the hair completely straightens it. Most of the time I only have to go over it 1 time. I'm in love with this hair straightener. It's amazing. Not to mention, it makes my hair super shiny. I love it for that. And if you guys are interested in, after watching this review and checking the product out for yourself, I do have a 70% off coupon code for the website Duvolle, happily 70, and that is 70% off, you guys. You cannot beat that. All the information and the links will be in the description box below, like always. But this thing straightens so quickly. It took me no time to straighten my hair. Like I said, 30 minutes. It makes my hair so shiny. Look at that. And yeah, we are like depleting that frizz that we had going on. I am so impressed with this. And like I mentioned earlier, they have a 60-day money back, no questions asked policy. So you can get yours at 70% off right now. Try it out, and if you don't like it, you can definitely get your money back. Not much else I can say. I love the product. Super shiny hair, very quick and efficient. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial and saw how easy it was. Like, the product sewed itself to go from super curly hair to straight. Hope you enjoyed these photos as well. Thank you always for watching. Check out Duvolle's website. I have worked with them in the past and they're amazing. Everything I've tried. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And check the description box for all those additional links and information. Stay tuned for more hair tutorials coming soon using the Duvolle Impulse Flat Iron.